Good day. Is this a familiar view? You wake up in the morning and your hammer is sitting on his back? But you are not alone. Most probably your suspension system is leaking somewhere. 19% of the case is a crack on the airbags. Let's see how we can fix this one easily at home. And here we go. Freshly arrived from Amazon. You can order those one between 500 and 2000 dirhams. So be mindful when you choose the supplier. I paid this one 560, coming from United States, about 2 weeks delivery. What is inside the box? The valve, very important. I'll show you how to install this one. Be sure you don't miss any pieces, so be careful. And then the airbag. This is how the airbag looks like. This is where you have to install the valve. This is the bottom cap, and it goes on top of your rear axle. The top side got 3 of these clips, so be sure you don't hit them, don't break them. The car, there are 3 holes in the chassis. It goes up in the holes, 2 cm turning on one side, is take lock, 2 cm turn on the other side, and you pull it down. As easy as it gets. Usually those get cracked here. This part goes in and out. I'll show you when I remove the other one. And you will see the time, the heat create cracks, and they start to leak air from here. There are many means to lift your car. Use the one that you have available. I'm not here explaining you any safety rules on how to secure your car. The safety is up to you. I only show you how to remove and install the new one. And here is your airbag collapsed. You can see there is not enough air inside. This is done. There is still some air, so we need to pierce it. Now we need to go on top with a tool similar to this one to disconnect the airbag. There we go. And here we go. This is extract. So you can remove the cap. You don't need it because you already have one brand new here, but I would keep this at home for future reference. Let's have a look at this. You could see some crack appears here, but I don't believe it's leaking from here. I'm more inclined to believe it's leaking from here. Okay, so this is the part that when it compresses, it goes inside. So you can see while your car maybe is parked in this position and it starts to leak. So you could see I was fighting a little bit with this one. This one is a fast connector. It goes in and out. So when you put the pipe in, it's stuck in, and when you try to pull out, it pulls also this one and you lock it. So when you go up, you put a tool like this or a spanner on top of the tube, and you push this one down, and while you push this one down, you pull the pipe up and it disconnects. Now you will notice that my new one is slightly different. It doesn't have that fast connector. So for this one, because it's aftermarket, you might be lucky you receive it like this, or you receive it like this. This one needs to go up to here. Notice there is a small, let me see, a retainer in here. Don't lose this one. So this goes inside here. You close it, not too tight. So what to do next? We go back on the car, we remove this white, and we push this one through the pipe. And then we screw this one down and we tie it. Well, obviously coming from United States, it's not a 10, it's not a 12, and it's not a 13. So must be imperial, it's not metric. So we're gonna use one of those. Here we go. Now we need to install this one here. Hopefully you have enough view. So I remove this one. Try not to lose the collar. Okay, I like it. Those you should be able to see are the opening on the frame that I was mentioning before. Now we screw this one back.
One eternity later.
Okay, done. Now we screw this one in. Now, next things to do is to lower the. I lower the right side. Now I'm going on the left side. What I'm aiming to is to center this cap on top of the receiver on the axle. Okay, this is what we are looking for. Now it's in, I can lower completely the car, and this will come down completely. Next step, turn your engine on and pressurize the system to lift the car again. As you can see, the airbag is perfectly placed. This one is touching the bottom, and I don't hear any air leak. So hopefully the problem is over. I could have changed both, but the other one seems to be in a very good shape. So I'm gonna keep the second one as a spare, just in case. Thank you for your time, be safe and enjoy your hammer.